When positioning the lid placers on initial startup, get the back one in first, and then have someone available to tilt back the back one so when you lower down the front lid placer it does not interfere. And on the frame we have these pieces of tape to indicate where the legs of the lid placer frame go. The clearances for the feet around the conveyor are very tight, so be sure to watch that they're not going to catch on anything. Once the rear lid placer, or once the front lid placer is below the quick disconnects, the rear one can be leaned back forward.